How to copy a Roblox game. Now this is really simple, so let's just dive into it. First open up your web browser and then search for Roblox. After you go to roblox.com, let it load and just go to the search bar. And in search bar, you need to search on copy locked. After you search for on copy locked, a list of games will be shown to you which can be copied. Now just click on any games you want. I'm going to choose this first one, and there you go. After it loads up, you can just check its description, you can check its price and everything. And after you've checked everything out, just go to this three dots right here, click on it and click on edit in studio. Now it will check for Roblox Studio and you'll be able to download the studio and you have copied the game. So that is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more. If you are new to our channel, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.